I tested 7 free AI video background removers, and the results were actually surprising. Some tools worked well, but one of them clearly stood out as the best option. Starting with number 7, vidbgrem.media.io. It can remove video backgrounds using AI, but the overall results and accuracy were not as impressive compared to the others. At number 6, we have removerai.io. This tool provides basic background removal features, but it may struggle with complex videos and detailed edges. Number 5 is unscreen.com. It is a popular AI background remover that works quickly and is simple to use, but the free version has some limitations. At number 4, we have pixelcut.ai. It offers good AI editing features and delivers decent background removal results for many types of videos. Number 3 goes to vid.io. It comes with multiple AI editing tools and provides a smooth background removal experience. At number 2, we have remove.bg. It is well known for image background removal and also provides good results for certain video editing tasks. And finally, number 1 is cutout.pro. This tool delivered the best overall performance with cleaner results, better edge detection, and a smoother background removal process. So if you're looking for a free AI video background remover, these tools are worth trying, but cutout.pro takes the top spot in this comparison.